Hello my friends, today we are going to manipulate the capacitance. First of all, we may have a series combination of capacitor and their capacitance may be given by C1, C2, C3. In this case, the total capacitance is given by 1 over C1 plus 1 over C2 plus 1 over C3. So this is the formula for the series combination of different capacitors. And also, we are given a parallel combination of different capacitors. C1, C2, C3. Then the overall capacitance here is given by C is equals to the sum of all these capacitors.